I hate everything.
I am a robot and I feel nothing.
It's me, a robot. Oh yeah, everything seems to be going smoothly.
Oof.
Sick.
Then it is time.
I think we're good, fellas.
Said the robot.
Except Josh, if you jump one more time, I'm gonna fucking get pissed.
Don't tell me what to fucking do.
Stop
you
jumping!
ingrate.
I'm a big construction
Okay.
robot. I like put up fucking plywood with
So what you're
nails.
saying is you're Wally.
Yes. No wait, he cleaned up trash.
He made garbage cubes. He made sculptures.
Oh, that's beautiful.
He made really shitty sculptures, if that's the case.
And then he like met a bunch of fat people in floaty chairs for some reason.
Oh
It's
yeah, I
gonna be us, dude.
kind of remember that movie.
Ow!
I remember
ow,
that being
ow,
part of
that
it.
made hurt.
Yeah, that
Ow.
move sucks, by the way. Be careful with that. Alright, Cyrus,
yeah.
so that... Yeah, you remember. All the items. Always
Okay,
just make
so
sure you grab
don't
one.
take all of them.
Yeah,
Did
just make
Raymond
sure
get
you
one?
grab...
There's
Yeah, I
only
got
one
one.
left.
We're good.
Okay.
I am here to serve.
Uh, ew.
I am
What's
here
that?
to construct your house for you.
Alright, I'm pretty much good on items. Cyrus, did you go up and check around this other part of the area?
I don't know. I don't know what you're even talking about. I don't even know where I am.
Well,
Oh god.
I
Some
really
weird
need to
lizard guy
find
trying
some
to
sheetrock
smash.
to put up, you guys. Like, it's killing me inside.
If I don't build a house in the next 2 months, I'm gonna kill myself.
Now I know how construction workers feel.
I hope we get the teapot boss here. Because
I
it's like
haven't
one of the
seen a
ones I
teapot.
wanted Cyrus to say. See. Speaking of which, I found the teleporter.
Yeah, well, the
This
little-
is a
Leave me
golden
alone,
chance
Guardian.
statue.
Ha! Oh, ooh.
And it's like $556 to get into it.
how much?
556.
Homer.
I don't have that kind of money.
It's a chance statue anyway, so there's only a chance that'll give you an item, but I bet it'd give you a good one.
Homer! That was
Oh,
a
there's
rainy
another-
day funds!
There's another
Holy.
kiosk over here. 2 randoms in a can.
The golden chance statue's Holly.
Homer, you're too strong! Your bone is too strong!
Don't worry, sweetie. I'll crump with you.
Don't worry, sweetie! I'll crunk with you! Thanks,
Did
Mom!
you see the one that guy did when he has the dog pulling him on his
Yeah! Okay, Santa's little helper! We gotta get to the Quickie Mart by 5! Beautiful. I
You
just...
only got one eye, fucking
Did you
nerd.
see the one where that guy opens a can and his grandma pours out?
No.
I
That's
would love
crazy,
to.
dude.
What does that mean? Is she like liquid? How
Yeah,
does
she
that
like
work?
pours out and she comes out and she's like, "Oh my goodness!"
Oh, God!
Is she now? Does she turn back into a human after
No,
she's
she
been
just
poured all the way
pours.
out?
She just pours onto the floor and you just see her face and she's like, "Why did you do this?"
That's disgusting.
Bad LSD trip if I've ever seen one.
And he starts crying and breaking down and trying to scoop his grandma up into a bowl.
I'm sorry, Grandma. I
Don't you
won't
just
let
hate it
you
when your
go to
grandma, like, melts?
waste.
You have to put her like in an ice cube tray.
Oh, damn it. Not again. You
God
fucking...
damn it,
You
grandma!
fucking
Somebody accidentally
bitch.
puts your grandma in their soda. And drinks
Your
her.
dad
Dude,
fucking pours your grandma
what
in
the
a soda and
fuck?
lets her drink it.
And you have to go.
You
to
drank
their
like
house
half of that
with a
before you
little mat,
realized who she
scoop her out of the
was.
toilet.
Are we ready?
I've been ready since the day I was born.
Well,
I've been ready ever since.
poop on you.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Oh, no.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. This is the second time we fought him. What the fuck? Hell, woo! I'm the nostalgia critic.
Woo, woo!
Oh, I'm the nostalgia critic.
I think
Dude,
we
this guy
should
doesn't
just
even know.
make everybody just fucking subscribe to Gang Grumps.
Yeah.
Before we knew it, everyone just
Before we
Became a
knew
shit
it,
YouTuber.
everybody hated us.
And before we knew it, everyone didn't like us anymore.
Shame.
Oh, did everyone get their items?
I got one.
Okay. I haven't gotten one.
All right.
I got one.
We have.
I said
where's
I
the
have
third?
not gotten one.
I think we're good.
Well, I mean,
I only have
don't
one.
see. Yeah, I know. That's the weird thing. I don't. What the fuck? None of
There
us have
was
two
two.
of them.
No. There was just two.
Oh, maybe it just spawned two.
They said, fuck you, Josh.
Seems that way.
I have more items anyway, so I ain't even tripping about it.
This game would be so sick if you could drop items.
It
This
you
game
would.
would
imagine?
be sick
Like,
if you could
we
like go back to the garage and fucking just work on a Mercedes for a little bit, you know, pop a couple
How long
brews
is a little
open.
bit?
Dude, I would want to work on a fucking Mercedes. Are
Oh
you
come
fucking,
on,
Are
dude!
you
We could
nuts?
we could get together, drink some Coors Light, listen to some fucking AC/DC in my garage.
Yeah, and you have like a big ass American flag on your garage door.
A
No,
Confederate
no,
flag on my
yeah,
garage door.
that's our